Hello everyone, welcome to MathMax. In this video, we are going to discuss about quadratic formula by the method of completing squares. So in this, we need standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. From this general form, we will generate quadratic formula, that is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So I have written a quadratic equation over here, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this, highest power is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. A, b are coefficient, c is a constant term, so this is constant term. A and b are coefficients, so x is a variable. So for this quadratic equation, using method of completing square, we will be generating quadratic formula. Generally, a quadratic equation has two zeros. We will be considering that zeros, one as alpha, other as beta. So alpha equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta equal to minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we will be learning the stepwise procedure to generate quadratic formula. In this, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 will take a standard form. For this standard form, step 1 is to make x square coefficient as 1. To make x square coefficient as 1, we need to divide the whole equation with the coefficient of x square. So in this, we have a over here, so we will divide the whole equation by a. So ax square by a plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. Now we can cancel this a. So you will get x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. So we made x square coefficient as 1. That is step 1. In step 2, you will send a constant term from LHS to RHS. That is x square plus b by a into x equal to minus c by a. Step 3. So in step 3, you will be having two cases. If now we need to consider the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is b in the numerator. So b is, if b is even, there will be one condition. If b is odd. So if b is even numbers are multiples of 2. So if b is even, you need to write that number in multiples of 2. If b is odd, you need to multiply and divide by 2. So you need to multiply and divide by 2 if b is odd. If it is even, then you need to write in multiples of 2. For example, here the value of b is 6. Then you can write, it is a even number, you can write 2 into 3. If it is 7, that is odd, so you need to multiply and divide by 2. 2 into 7 by 2. So as b is a variable over here, so we need to multiply and divide by 2. So this equation can be written as x square plus 2 into b by 2a into x equal to minus c by a. Now if you observe this, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab. If there is b square over here, then this will be in the form of a plus b whole square. So this will be in the form of a plus b whole square. You know the formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in this, x is a, 2ab. So this value will be b. So add b square, that is b by 2a whole square both sides. If we add b by 2a both sides, whole square both sides, then this will be written as x square plus 2 into b by 2a into x plus b by 2a whole square, we have added this side, and b by 2a whole square this side minus c by a, LHS and RHS. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square equal to b square by 4a square after simplifying this minus c by a. Now b square by 4a minus c by a, if you simplify this, 4a square will be in the denominator, in the numerator you will get b square minus 4ac. As the denominator is 4a square, in the denominator here we have a, the numerator will be 4ac, and this value will be x plus b by 2a whole square as it is. Now if we send square to opposite side, that will be root. So x plus b by 2a equal to root over b square minus 4ac by root 4a square. If you simplify the root value, so under root 4a square will be equal to root over 2 into 2 into a into a. So this can be written as 2a. So x equal to, send this b by 2a that side, that will be minus value, minus b by 2a, as root over here we can write plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by, as root 4a square value is 2a, you will write 2a, minus b by 2a and plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a are like terms. So we can write x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, what we required. Now we are done with the quadratic formula. Hope you understood the video, and thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.